Hi, today we're going to be talking about this Disney ring light. As you can see on the picture, it has the ears of Mickey Mouse on it. So I'm going to be opening it, unboxing it, and assembling it just to give you guys an idea. And I will also let you know what the price is, where I got it from, and just my feedback on this item. Now, before I get started, if you can hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner, the red subscribe button, that'd be great. I'm trying to build up my subscribership. And also, if I've added value, definitely hit the like button and feel free to leave me some comments. I will definitely respond to your comments, and I definitely like reading all of your comments. So let's get started. There's the front of the box. There's the side of the box. There's the back of the box. And then there's the other side. So as you can see in the back, it gives you the ring light, the Disney Airs, USB powered. So you'll need to buy the plug to plug onto the wall yourself that has a USB input. Tripod, phone holder, and the tilt, the pan tilt adjuster, which is very, very important. That piece right there, that's your tripod head, in other words you can call it. And it has a remote, which is your typical functions that are out there. And I'll explain it more when I take it out of the box and assembling it. So let's take it out of the box. All right. There you guys right there. Ooh, there you go. Box. Everything's in there. Now, one other piece that's very important is always, every time you do ring lights, is the instruction booklet. Sometimes they don't come with it, but most of the times they will come with it. All right. So let's get started. First piece of item, the instruction booklet. Very, very important. Always keep this. I'm going to leave it to the side. I've done a bunch of these, but I will still leave the instruction booklet open just in case, so that I want to make sure that I'm doing it correctly for all of you. And I'm just going to follow the steps on the instruction booklet and follow step by step. So the first thing it says to do is get your tripod legs. In other words, your tripod. So let's go ahead and get the tripod out. There we go. So it is your tripod right here. Open your tripod legs, as it says, step 1. It's a total of 5 steps that they say is here. So second thing is to get your tripod head, which is in the plastic bag, in the box right here. So basically it's Disney light, but you know, the company that makes this is Quest USA Corporation in Brooklyn, New York. Ooh, so the tripod head is pretty heavy. There you go. That's why you heard the bang. All right, so one thing to know about the tripod head is you have this ball that rolls around. Now, you can tighten it. So when you tighten it, you just gotta screw the screw in. Once you screw it in, it's tight. You can't shift anymore. There you go. On the bottom, there's a little hole. Not the side hole, the center hole. Center hole is going to go in here on the screw. So let's go ahead and screw it in. I'm going to leave it straight upright so that way you guys can see it. I'm not going to actually have it like tilted or anything. So that's everything is just straight going up. Next thing we get is the Mickey Mouse ears. Right here. There you go, your Mickey Mouse ears. This is like a really well-known international, you know, the ears. You can actually just, you already know it's Mickey anywhere you see it. Then you have your plug here. So I'm just top off the plug. So remember, you got to buy your own wall jack so that you can plug in the USB. So I have to have a USB hole for you to plug it in. The red button is your on and off for your remote. Minus is to bring the brightness down. Plus is to increase your brightness. And in the middle is your modes. So there's going to be different modes for you to change the mode of the light. So in this case, I would assume it's probably like 3 modes. One other thing I noticed about the back is that you have your Mickey Mouse ears face on here on all of it. Pretty detailed. All right, so let's get it plugged in. But before I do that, let me just follow directions and let's just stick it in right here. As you can see, the little gold holder here, it's going to go into this little screw right here. Let me get this actually. There it goes. Let me just screw it in this way. And close the legs. It's just easier. I'm still going through with the steps though. There we go. Alright. So now it's screwed in it. Open back the tripod legs. There we go. Alright. Now, I know the ears are out of the picture, but it's still there. It hasn't gone anymore. So, this is your remote here, your USB remote. I'm going to plug it into my wall jack so you guys can see how it is. One last step is the phone holder. So I have an old iPhone here. It's gonna be a pull. There you go, right there. So just stick the iPhone in there. Boom, right there. So there you go. iPhone's there. So for this phone holder, just remember that you have your little screw on the bottom. It's gonna go into the screw here. This gold piece here. Right there. So it's screwed in. Alright, now it's screwed in. Let's tilt this phone holder. There we go. It's gonna make noise because it's just hard plastic. Alright, there you go, guys. So right there. So let me go ahead and just turn on the light to give you guys an idea. Now for safety reasons, just remember when you turn it off, make sure you hit the button and don't just leave it on and just pull the USB, just for safety purpose. So I'm going to hit the red button. There we go, okay. Taking the phone out so you guys have a better view of the light. So let's change the different modes. How many modes? There should be 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So again, it's this kind of like a crisscross arrow in the center between the plus and minus. That's going to be your mode. So we're in this cool white right now. So let's just say I want to bring it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Increase it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it has 10 brightness levels. It has 3 modes. It's your typical ring light. The uniqueness about this item is that it has the ears, which is your Mickey Mouse ears. That's the uniqueness about this item. Now, how much is this item and where can you get it from? Basically, this item, it retails for about $35 to $40. You can get it at big box retail department stores, or you can go to the discount big box retail stores, which you can probably get it for maybe like 20 to 21 or under or $18. So it just depends. Those discount big box retailers are like your Ross, your Marshall, TJ Maxx, DD, Home Goods, etc., etc. So you can check those. The only thing is that you're not sure if they have it or not, because it's whatever's there on those stores. You go to your normal stores, of course, you're paying a bit more, but you know that they have it. So it's kind of like that. So, once again, it's 3 light modes: cool, warm, and white. The tripod height is 4.73 inches or 12 centimeters. It fits most phones up to 3.75 inches or 9.5 centimeters. The phone holder rotates 360 degrees. It has a Disney theme. It's also, as you can see, is very unique. And the uniqueness is just the ears right here. Oops, right here. So I gotta tighten this. All right, there we go. It's tight now. It's these ears. So that's what the uniqueness about this ring light is. So it's just really up to you. Now for me, does it work for me? I can see that it would work great for me if I was doing like, close-ups videos, if I'm doing like jewelry, if I'm doing cosmetics. But because I do a lot of assembly and unboxing, I need something that's kind of overpacked me. So for this one, I'll probably need to pass on it, but it doesn't mean that it's a bad item. It's still a great item, and it's a very unique item because of the Disney theme. So something to think about. Now, if I've added value to you guys with this video, please hit the like button. If you guys do have this, let me know if you guys have it. Share it on the comments. Also, if you guys have questions on assembly and stuff, feel free to comment on it and I'll definitely respond. And finally, if you can hit the subscribe button, the red button on the bottom right. I'm trying to build my subscriber base. I make new videos and upload them every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I look forward to seeing you guys next time. Take care.